Hello students, today we will learn about the illustration number 2 and illustration number 3 under the section 80D. Now we'll see the question. Illustration number 2. Mr. Namo, 40 years old, paid following sum by check. Particulars and amounts are given. Mediclaim insurance premium for Mr. Namo 18,000. Mediclaim insurance premium for Mrs. Namo not dependent on Mr. Namo. Mrs. Namo spouse 5,000. Contribution to the central government health scheme for dependent daughter 3,000. Mediclaim insurance premium for son not dependent on Mr. Namo 3,000. Contribution to central government health scheme for brother dependent on Mr. Namo 1,000. Mediclaim insurance premium for mother-in-law dependent on Mr. Namo aged 70 years 900. Mediclaim insurance premium for mother dependent on Mr. Namo aged 59 years 26,500. Mediclaim insurance premium for grandparents dependent on Mr. Namo 1,600. Mediclaim insurance premium for father not dependent on Mr. Namo aged 61 years 32,000. Contribution to central government health scheme for father 2,000. Total 68,000 amount he has been incurred. So compute deduction available to Mr. Namo under section 80D. So we have to find the total deduction available to Mr. Namo under section 80D. See here, Mr. Namo aged 40 years means his age is less than 60 years. So maximum limit we can claim in case of individual. First part deduction for individual, that is 25,000 rupees. So paid the following sums by check. So the payment should be check or DD, should not be in cash. So by check means we have to take. So first item, Mediclaim insurance premium for Mr. Namo. So this is a Mediclaim insurance premium for self, 18,000 we have to take. Mediclaim insurance premium for Mrs. Namo. So this is a Mediclaim insurance premium for spouse. 5,000 we have to take. Next, contribution to central government health scheme for dependent daughter. So contribution to central government health scheme. Contribution to central government health scheme for spouse and children is available for deduction, but for parents is not available. So contribution to central government health scheme for dependent daughter is eligible for deduction. Next, Mediclaim insurance premium for son not dependent. Son, so here we have to take dependent children. So son is not dependent, so not eligible for deduction. 3,000 is not eligible for deduction. Next, contribution to central government health scheme for brother. Brother, here brother we should not take, only self, spouse, dependent children and parents. Brother will not be eligible for deduction. Next, Mediclaim insurance premium for mother-in-law. So in case of parents, additional deduction in case of parents, only for father and mother. So mother-in-law is not eligible for deduction. Next, Mediclaim insurance premium for mother dependent. So mother may be dependent on independent, it doesn't matter, we have to take 26,500. But in case of, so the mother age is 59 years. So for mother maximum 25,000 can claim. Mediclaim here actual 26,500 is given. Mother, for mother we can claim only 25,000. Mediclaim insurance premium for grandparents dependent on Mr. Namo. So grandparents. So in case of parents, mother and father, only we have to take father and mother, not grandparents and mother-in-law. So this is not eligible for deduction. Next, Mediclaim insurance premium for father not dependent. Father dependent or independent doesn't matter, on dependent on Mr. Namo aged 61 years. So in case of father, age is above 60 years. So maximum claim is 50,000. So 32,000 we can take. But total deduction in case of additional deduction for father and mother should not exceed 50,000. Next, contribution to central government health scheme for father. So contribution to central government health scheme eligible only for self, spouse and children, not for parents. So this is not eligible for deduction. So we have to find total deduction. Here we will solve now. Solution number 2, computation of deduction under section 80D available to Mr. Namo. So particulars and to amount column. So in the first part we have to take deduction available for individual. Deduction available for individual. So individual age we have to check now. So that is individual Mr. Namo age is 40 years means maximum age to 40 years means maximum we can claim in the first part. In the first part we can claim maximum 25,000. So we'll take one by one. First one is mediclaim insurance for Mr. Namo 18,000. Mediclaim insurance premium for Mr. Namo, that is for self 18,000. Next for spouse, that is mediclaim insurance premium of Mrs. Namo not dependent 5,000. So for spouse 5,000. Next mediclaim insurance premium contribution to central government health scheme for dependent daughter. Dependent daughter we have to take contribution to the central government health scheme for dependent daughter we have to take 3,000. Next one is mediclaim insurance premium for son is not dependent, so not eligible, and contribution to central government health scheme for brother also not eligible. For son not dependent, so because of not dependent we have to write not eligible, and brother is not comes under self, spouse and dependent children, so not eligible. So total deduction is 26,000 here. We got the total deduction 18,000 plus 5,000 plus 3,000 will get 26,000, but in the first section maximum limit we can claim is 25,000, so we have to take 25,000 in the outer column. Next, add second part, additional deduction for parents. So now we have to check any of the mother and father age limit. We have to check the mother and father age limit. So here medical insurance premium of mother is 59 year, father is 61 year, means in the second part we can claim deduction up to 50,000 because the father age is above 60 year. So aged above 61 year, so maximum limit 50,000 we can claim in the second part 2. So we'll take one by one. First one till here done. Next, mediclaim insurance premium for mother-in-law. So mother-in-law is medical insurance premium for mother-in-law is not eligible. So mediclaim insurance premium for mother-in-law is not eligible. Next, mediclaim insurance premium for mother, that is aged 59 year. So in case of mother, mediclaim insurance premium for mother, actually they have given how much? 26,500. Mediclaim insurance premium for mother, actually they have given 26,500. Her age is 59 years, means the maximum limit for mother we can claim is 25,000. So actually they have given 26,500. Her age is 59 year. So we have to take 25,000 here. Got it? Not 26,500. We have to take 25,000. Next, mediclaim insurance premium grandparent is not eligible. Grandparent not eligible. Medical insurance premium for father not dependent. Mr. Namo age is 61 year. Given is 32,000. So in case of father, mediclaim for father aged 61 year means maximum 50,000 we can claim here. Maximum 50,000 we can claim. So given is 32,000. So 32,000 we can take. Next, contribution to the central government health scheme for father. Father not eligible. Grandparents not eligible. Mother-in-law not eligible. And contribution to central government health scheme for father is not eligible. So total will get 57,000, that is 25,000 plus 32,000, 57,000, but maximum limit in the second part we can claim is 50,000. So we have to take here 50,000. So the total deduction under section 80D is second part 50,000 and the first part is 25,000. So here the health checkup is not given, so the total deduction can claim under section 80D by Mr. Namo is rupees 75,000. Next, Next, see the illustration number 3. Mr. Vinod, aged 31 years, has incurred the following expenses. Particulars amount: Mediclaim insurance premium paid for himself 9,000, Mediclaim insurance premium paid for spouse 8,000, Mediclaim insurance premium paid for dependent children 6,000, Mediclaim insurance premium paid for father 62 years 18,000, preventive health checkup expenditure for father 6,000, preventive health checkup expenditure for himself, that is paid in cash rupees 4,000. So we have to compute the deduction under section 80D. Here they have not given, but all the information is relating to 80D. So write compute deduction under section 80D. So we'll see one by one. Mr. Vinod, aged 31 years, means here in the first part, in case of deduction for individual, we can claim maximum limit 25,000. So we'll take one by one. Mediclaim insurance premium paid for himself, so that is for self 9,000. Mediclaim insurance premium paid for spouse, that is for 8,000 we have to take. Mediclaim insurance premium for dependent children 6,000 we have to take. Mediclaim insurance premium for father 62 years. So 62 years means above 60 years. So maximum 50,000 can claim 18,000. Next, preventive health checkup for father. So health checkup for father given 6,000 and preventive health checkup for himself 4,000. So total we can claim is 5,000 here for preventive health checkup per family, father and himself including. Totally we can claim under section 80D, that is 5,000, but that also within the specified limit of 25,000 and 50,000. Okay, now we'll see the solution. Computation of deduction under section 80D available to Mr. Vinod. Particulars to amount. First part, deduction for individual. So his age, Mr. Vinod, he is an individual, his age is 31 years. So aged 31 years, maximum limit 25,000 he can claim here in the first part. So we have to take here for self, spouse and children. So himself, how much? Mediclaim insurance premium for himself 9,000, for spouse 8,000, Mediclaim insurance premium for dependent children 6,000. So we have to take one by one. Mediclaim insurance premium for himself 9,000, Mediclaim insurance premium for his spouse 8,000, Mediclaim insurance premium for dependent children 6,000. Totally you'll get 23,000. Maximum limit is 25,000. So we can take 23,000 here. Next is second part is for the additional deduction for parents. So here in case of parents, they have given medical insurance premium paid for father 62 years 18,000. So above 60 years, so we can claim under second part, that is maximum 50,000. So additional deduction for parents aged 62 years, maximum limit we can claim is 50,000. So medical insurance premium for father is given, so amount is 18,000. So there is no premium for mother is given, so totally 18,000. So total we can take outer column 18,000, so within that limit. Next, third one is preventive health checkup per family. So here in the question they have given preventive health checkup expenditure for father 6,000, preventive health checkup expenditure for himself paid in cash 4,000. So paid in cash health checkup can be made in cash, so we can take. So total should not exceed 5,000, that also within the specified limit. Now we'll see. So the maximum limit we can climb under third part for health checkup, that is for per family within the specified limit. So first one is health checkup expenditure for himself. So within the specified limit means here for individual case actually he claimed is 23,000. So for himself means self, it comes under individual. So maximum 25,000 he can claim. So in the 25,000 maximum limit, he already claimed the 23,000. So balance how much left? 2,000 is left here. So actual health checkup how much in case of self himself 4,000, but he can claim only 2,000 here because it is within the specified limit. So 2,000 here we have to take. Next, health checkup expenditure for father. So here this is health checkup for per family how to take. So father health checkup also can be taken here. So health checkup of father, how much? Preventive health checkup actually incurred is 6,000. Actually incurred is 6,000, but within the specified limit means 18,000 we have enough space till 50,000. So here maximum how much we can climb? 3,000. To get 5,000, maximum we can climb 3,000. So total 5,000 we can climb deduction here. So 23,000, 18,000 plus 5,000, 46,000 we can climb. So the total deduction under section 80D is 46,000.